Hello my solar friends all over Europe, my name is Peter. I'm working for the 5 gigawatt Green Fath project. This project is a team effort between Fraunhofer ISE, ISE Constance, RCT Solutions and VDMA. Our goal is to set up an integrated factory to make mono-PERC cells and modules in Europe. And it's an open platform, so different parties can join as well and prepare together with us their production lines. It will give a lot of jobs all over Europe. And I also want to show you, I'm currently in Ankara. There we have prepared a 500 megawatt integrated factory, ingot, wafer, cell and module for the Turkish company Kalyon PV. And this demonstrates it's possible. In the front of the door of Europe, we could do it. Please have a look at this beautiful factory, and this gives us confidence we can do it. So my friends, be strong, support our project, sun will never go down. Bye bye my friends.